Module 3, Lesson 3. What is an ABC? In the previous lesson, you learned about asking your contacts to take a look. This look could be a personal three-way phone call or Zoom meeting with the contact, you, and your sponsor or mentor, which is also called an ABC. The benefits of an ABC are its simplicity. Anyone can do it. New wellness entrepreneurs do not need to know everything. Contacts hear varied perspectives and get introduced to other wellness entrepreneurs on your team or in your network. The purpose of an ABC is to leverage the expertise of your sponsor or mentor or more experienced NIKKEN wellness entrepreneur with your contact while you listen, learn, and take notes. What is leverage in our business? Using a lever to move large or heavy objects is leverage. Consider the hydraulic car jack that multiplies your effort pushing down on the handle many, many times, which allows you to lift a huge car. Likewise, anyone who benefits from the time and efforts of others has leverage, such as a company owner with employees. We highly recommend viewing the NIKKEN Next recording of CEO Luis Kasuga describing the power in leveraged income in the back office archives. Leverage in network marketing is the multiplication of your time and effort to gain advantage through the time and efforts of others. Specifically, you can sell a huge amount of products with large volume to create income by leveraging the efforts of many other individuals without taking away from their benefits in the process. Our ability to network with others dramatically increases our ability to succeed. Then, when we enable and facilitate group activity in a focused endeavor, that accelerates the financial outcomes beyond each individual's personal investment of time and effort. It is a win-win-win relationship. The ABC roles are: A is your sponsor or more experienced wellness entrepreneur, B is you, and C is your contact. The process involves edification, which is explaining the reason why you have asked A to talk with C. On the call, you want to introduce A and why you want your contact to meet them. It could be A's expertise, experience, support, guidance, information, knowledge, position in the company, business acumen, or a similar background to C. Also on the call, you want to edify C in your introduction of them to A. Explain the exemplary personal qualities, professional business expertise, educational background of your contact, and or any connections they might have with A. Once you have finished the edifications, introductions, you need to be quiet. It is time for you to listen and learn. Take notes, because C may ask you about details later. Be ready to thank them both at the end of the call for their time and sharing information. The ABC process can be listed in simple steps. Number 1, set up time for the ABC meeting with A and C, phone or Zoom preferences. Number 2, introduce A and C. Number 3, edify A to C and edify C to A. Number 4, take notes as A talks. Be quiet. Do not interrupt. Number 5, take notes as C is responding or asking questions. Number 6, thank both A and C. Set time to follow up with C. Number 7, after the call, get suggestions from A for follow-up. Number 8, follow up with C. And then, number 9, repeat with other contacts. For further review of this process, see document What is an ABC in the file. If your sponsor or mentor has been your A previously, but is not available when you need them, you have several options. You could use a NIKKEN video of a first look at NIKKEN. You could use a video of consultant stories from those on the success story document in this module, or those posted on WhatsApp. You could use a leader's recording that syncs with C's interest. You could use an Inspiring Our World podcast recording from the archives. You could use a NIKKEN Active Wellness blog on the C's interest. Those blogs are available on links from your back office website. You could use a Seikukai or Master Day video recording that relates to C's interests. You could use a NIKKEN Next archived recording, always available in your back office. You could ask your sponsor or mentor for a recommendation. You could also bring your contact as a guest to a corporate or leader's live Zoom or event and have a super ABC, where the contact hears from an expert along with multiple stories from panelists in the presentation or points from attendees in response to their questions. The point of an ABC is to introduce your contact to the philosophy of NIKKEN as exemplified by the community of NIKKEN wellness entrepreneurs and their variety of demographics, experiences, and expressions, yet singular in their mutual respect for their colleagues, company, and technologies. The NIKKEN Balanced Life, Happy Life on Tuesday evenings is a weekly example of a super ABC, where guests can hear from NIKKEN's sales director and an expert in the field. You'll follow up with the A in the ABC soon after you finish, or with your sponsor or mentor, will help you discuss possible next steps to take with your contact. Your follow-ups with your contact after these experiences is very important. A key question is, what resonated with you? Or, what was your biggest takeaway? And then find out why. The contact's explanations will indicate what your next steps should be to move them closer to a decision. Module 4 will explain following up in more detail. When you're ready, move on to the next lesson of this module.